So I'm coming to you live at the MCG. It's late at night, it's actually 11 o'clock on a Saturday night. I've been here for a wedding, but what's really fascinating is if you can see right down there in the middle, there are some diggers actually chopping the ground up, giving it a makeover. And for anyone who comes here for events, whether it be music events or football or any type of sport, you know how important it is that the grounds are just right when the day is here, when you're coming to either see that game, whatever it is. However, it's also a chance for the MCG to have a bit of a makeover. And it's kind of the same in business. There are times in your business where you need to give things a makeover. So where in your business could you do a bit of a makeover? Maybe you need to refresh some of your processes and have a look at where they might be a little bit stale or where they're not delivering that amazing experience to your client. Maybe it's your website. Maybe the message is not being really clear and it's time to sharpen it up so that if I was one of your ideal clients and I came across your website, I know exactly what you do and that you are for me. So what could you do in your business to make sure that it's always in client-ready state, that it's moving with the times and it's delivering exactly the value and the experience that you want so that you can get more clients, keep the ones that you've got, get paid what you're worth, and build that business that makes you proud. So I'm going to leave you with that beautiful view of the MCG. Hopefully next time you see it, if this is your thing, it absolutely looks fantastic because the makeover will have been done. You are a valuable advisor.